In Italy, young workers now earn less than many retirees, with salaries dropping by up to 23% in recent years. Wage stagnation and limited career opportunities are driving many young people to leave the country.
Noi stiamo proprio lavorando sul tema salariale che non si risolve con reddito di cittadinanza e non si risolve con reddito minimo perché sarebbe anzi un boomerang, ma penso lo si possa affrontare all'interno di una strategia che possa coinvolgere istituzioni, non c'è dubbio, parte datoriale, anche la parte sindacale, per affrontare un tema che in Italia rispetto ad altri paesi europei è drammaticamente sentito. Noi abbiamo i redditi che non sono cresciuti negli ultimi 20 anni, di fatto anzi le nostre famiglie hanno perso potere d'acquisto.
Your opinion about salaries in Italy? Do you think they're okay for currently costs of living here?
Unfortunately not. I was forced myself to move from Trieste to another city in Italy, which is Florence. And right there, if you move to Milan, Rome, or the big cities, you can find some salaries which are higher than in Trieste, for example, but they are not okay. Also with the cost of living of the big town, and prices are stellar, we can say right now, also for people who lives in the city.
In Italy, are you okay living here or would you like to go abroad?
No, I would like to live here, especially in this city, but I was born here, so maybe I'm biased.
Maybe in Trieste, of course, that the cost of life is different compared to Milan, Bologna, or Turin, or Rome, but for sure the cost of life is quite high compared to the level of the salaries in Italy. Yeah.
Be moving abroad or would you just stay in Italy?
Actually, I had the opportunity to go abroad, to move to Germany, but I prefer actually to stay here in Italy, and because the quality of life is much better. And, yeah.
I think it depends whether if you live in the north or in the south of the country, because there is much difference. If you live in the north, and especially if you are young and you are at the beginning of your job, so you don't earn much, probably it's not enough. I mean, you should ask for help to your parents or live with someone else.